Hello guys, my name is Prince and this is my center. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. Post your comments and questions on my social media handles and I'll respond to it. We are beginning a new topic today, transformation and rigid motion. Here are the objectives that we look forward to achieving at the end of this topic. At the end of this topic, you should be able to reflect a point in the Cartesian plane. You should be able to rotate a point about the origin or another point in the Cartesian plane. You should be able to translate a point in the Cartesian plane. And finally, you should be able to enlarge a point about the origin or about another point in the Cartesian plane. Don't worry if you don't understand most of the things here. I'm going to explain everything to you. Now, let's start and learn more about transformation and rigid motion. We will begin with transformation. The word transformation simply means change. A transformation may result in a change in color, size, shape, position, etc. In our everyday lives, we see examples of these kinds of changes or transformations. For example, the owner of a house may decide to paint his house from one color to another. So previously the house used to be yellow and he can decide to paint it with a blue color. When he does that, we can say that the house has undergone a transformation because the color of the house has changed. If we have a deflated balloon, that is a balloon with no air in it, we can decide to blow some air into it. When you do that, you will see that the size and shape of the balloon will change. So we can say that the balloon has undergone a transformation. If we have a book at one end of a table, we can decide to push it to another end of the table. When we do that, we can say that the book has undergone a transformation because the position of the book on the table has changed. So whenever there's a change in an object, that object is said to have undergone a transformation. These are examples of transformations we see around us in our everyday lives. In this topic, when we use the word transformation, we are referring to a situation where there is the change in the size, shape, or position of an object. So in this topic, an object is said to have undergone a transformation when its position, shape, or size changes. So we will be considering these three main changes: a change in position, a change in shape, and a change in size. So in this topic, whenever we use the word transformation, we are referring to a situation where a body has undergone a change in position, a change in shape, or a change in size. These are the three main changes that we will be considering. Now that we know some basic things about transformation, let's learn about rigid motion. A rigid motion is a transformation that does not result in a change in size or shape. So a rigid motion is an example of a transformation. But this type of transformation does not result in a change in size or shape. So whenever an object undergoes a transformation and that transformation does not result in a change in size or shape, that transformation is known as a rigid motion. A rigid motion is a transformation that does not result in a change in size or shape. In this topic, we are going to consider four types of transformations. They are 1. Reflection, 2. Rotation, 3. Translation, and 4. Enlargement. So we will take these four types of transformations and we will consider them one after the other. For each one of them, we will learn how to use it to transform a point in the Cartesian plane or the XY plane from one point to another. Now, this is what I mean. We have our Cartesian plane here, that is the X and Y axis. Let's say we have this point here, point A with the coordinates x, y. We are going to learn how to use these four types of transformations to transform this point from one point to another. So we will learn how to use reflection, rotation, translation, and enlargement to transform this point here from one point to another. We are going to begin with reflection in the next video. So in the next video, we are going to learn more about reflection. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to this channel for more videos. As I've already said, in the next video, we are going to learn about reflection. We are going to learn how to use reflection to transform a point from one point to another in the Cartesian plane. Bye bye.